Right, good morning, people. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Morning from across the pond. Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me just have a quick look at the news for the day. Let's have a quick look. PCE price index 130 London time. It's the only real piece of news we got this week. Is next week NFP week? Yes, it is. Yeah, big week next week. Big week. Yeah, big week next week. Hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday with us on stream. We had a fantastic day, 4 trades, 3 Ws. If you guys haven't, be sure to check out the video I posted yesterday, recapping every single one of them trades we took yesterday. It was an absolutely ridiculous day. An absolutely incredible day. Today's a new day. Today is a new day. Congrats on yesterday. Huge. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, huge day. Huge day. Huge day. Good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Happy Friday, everyone. Good morning. Happy Friday, people. Happy Friday. What's going on, guys? 45 out the Asian. Nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, had a bit of a push up in Asia today. Happy full margin Fridays. That's how we'll start in the morning. That's what we like to hear. That is what we like to hear. Took a gold buy right now. 15 ticks. Yeah, nice. You're kind of getting a 30-minute fake out here on gold. A 30-minute grab the lows, close bullish. You got a liquidity level up here from yesterday. So you're seeing gold have this retracement so far today. Trying to build $100 account. Yeah, be careful with that, man. It's unlikely. If account flipping was that easy, we'd all do it with hundreds of thousands, man. It's not that easy. Be very careful. No such thing as building accounts. If you have a small account, you just want to, yeah, get some income on aside from trading, and build that account, or look at funding opportunities. Rather than trading $100 account, that could give you 2 months access to Top Step. You could become a $50,000 funded trader. Let's make some cash today. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make some cash today. What time is it? 52. You got some news at 1:30 London time. 1:30 London time. You got some news. Had a funny US session yesterday on gold. It was a very choppy session. Very choppy session yesterday on gold. Same as Asia had the biggest move. London kind of ranged. US kind of ranged as well, to be honest. We'll just let everyone join in before we get started. Gold is at major daily and weekly support. So it's no surprise to see gold retracing today. Look at this weekly. It's a major weekly support. Huge support. Huge support. Morning, peeps. Good morning, man. You guys on Zoom, remember we got our July mentoring session tomorrow. Shall I entering session tomorrow morning? Well, my tomorrow morning. Maybe some of your guys' evening. If you go on to the mentoring sessions channel, the oh wait, where's it gone? Right, let me repost it. I don't know why it's gone weird. And it will set the time to your guys' time zone. Yeah, it will set the time to your guys' time zone. But it's at 7:30 tomorrow, Brisbane time, 7:30 AM. So you guys in UK, Australia, and some of you US guys can all make it as well. Yeah, lesson learned. Yeah, it was very choppy New York session yesterday. Very choppy New York session. But whenever it's choppy, yeah, just take one. If it starts to go choppy, just close it. Can't see your charts? Yeah, I haven't started breaking nothing down yet. That's probably why. Won't be able to make it. It's all good, man. If you have any questions, just post them in the questions channel, and we'll be sure to answer them. I know you guys can't see my charts. I know I haven't started the breakdown yet. We're waiting for everyone to join the Zoom, and then we'll get started. Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, nice initial move down at the start of New York, but other than that, it kind of went very choppy. Yeah, we got a core PCE price index today, 1:30 London time. Came out of NY break even. Yeah, good work. Break even is good. Break even's good. Good morning, man. A few more joining the Zoom, and then we'll get started in a second. Hey Corey, what's going on, man? Ciao, what's going on? You had a good day? Yeah, my day's been good, man. Yep, pretty chilled. I haven't traded today. I haven't even really watched it, to be honest. I'm not expecting too much today. You know, gold's had an insane amount of volume so far this week. You know, gold's had 780 ticks worth of volume so far this week. So to give it all back on a Friday, I decided to not even watch Asia. We did the Asian market call, but I haven't really watched it. So just jumping on now for the first time with you guys here as well.
Recording in progress.
All right, let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I think everyone's here. Yep, I think everyone's here. All right, let's have a look. So, weekly is, you know, oh, what have I done? Weekly is obviously bearish on gold this week, but we are bearish on gold to come back down into these regions. So now you're back down at these regions. You want to be careful jumping in any big shorts down here because it's a major level of support here. Major weaker level of support. This could easily wick up and still close above this level and still range. So weekly is at a big level of support. Previous days, you grabbed the highs, closed bearish. Yesterday, you had some very nice sells. Top wicked into 240, massive sell-off. And now today, I mean, you know, if you flip bearish there, you can take sells, but this is a pretty strong push up so far to start the day. And that's because you're at this major weekly support. Although you do have some liquidity down here at 23.50, you're still going to find some initial reaction. So if you get trapped in them sells, that's why. It's never just going to just rip them lows. It's going to... Anyone shorting these moves down here, they're going to be taking their profits at these areas. So, you know, maybe today could close a bit, you know, close a bit doji, and then maybe Monday come up, you grab some highs, and then you can potentially see that sell off into next week. 4 hour here on gold. Kind of see you grab the 4 hour lows, you close back bullish above this little level here. You've broken back above here, you've retested, you're trying to push back higher. So 4 hour, yeah, you will probably re-grab these previous 4 hour highs. And if you re-grab them 4 hour highs, then you're also going to have an hourly liquidity level up here as well. I would imagine a lot of people are probably trying to do something like this on gold. Most people are probably trying to jump in these shorts, and we could very well see something like this. We grab these highs, then who knows? Could you see that overall big sell-off again? Yeah, very possible. This hourly's about to close in 40 seconds. Very strong. That's an 80-tick move back up into them highs. So a potential setup there on gold. Let's have a look at our intraday time frame here on gold. This is that support from the Asian market course. So if you guys get shorts in Asia, be careful of this level, because you could tap into this level and start to push higher, or just range. You tapped into this level, flip back bullish, broke above. Huge grab there, and some amazing buys back up there towards the end of the Asian session. We can kind of see here on gold, this 30-minute, you've grabbed 30 lows, you've closed back bullish, you're trying to get this drive back higher, and you're going to have some, yeah, you're going to have some liquidity sitting above these highs here on gold, which is that previous 4-hour high. So 30's just closed nice and bullish. Hourly's just closed nice and bullish. 15's just closed nice and bullish. 2 equal highs. Let me have a look at this 5-minute here on gold. 5-minute is a little bit ugly. But if you could see this current 5 flip bullish, you just grabbed previous 5 lows closed above. If you could see this 5 flip bullish, you may have some longs. Don't know if you'll see that run up straight away. What would that look like on the futures? I'm not going to get that in time. I'm not going to get it in time. Let me see. If we dip down a little more, I may look for that. Because you grab the lows, you can risk off that low. It's a pretty safe low. You would be managing a trade as soon as you grab these highs, but ideally you're trying to run this up much higher. I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm not in this. I'm just looking at this. 5-minute, 15 close, nice, yeah. 5 minutes a little bit choppy. If we bottom wick a little bit more, I could consider it. What is it into them highs? 8 ticks. Not very much. Not very much. But that was a nice 30 close. Very nice 30 close. Very nice hourly close as well. If you could grab some 15 lows, then that'd be beautiful. But you might not need to. A pretty nice bottom wick here now. Yeah, this is a lovely bottom wick. So you could have a buy stop in here soon on gold. Because that's a pretty nice bottom wick. Maybe on the flip, which would be the flip of the body. How's that 15 looking? If the 15 can grab some 15 lows, I'll look to put that in. Because you're going to at least re-grab these highs. At least. Anyone who's selling on gold, stops are going to be here and here. You would manage around this high, but you'd want to target it much higher. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to let my dog in. 2 seconds. Yeah, you just grab 15 lows. Yeah, you did just grab previous 15 lows. You'd want to see this flip and have a really nice drive. 5 minutes, kind of creating a little bit of a range in here. But this trade is mainly based off this 30 and hourly. That previous hourly grabbed the lows and closed aggressively bullish. So you just want to follow that. Still pushing down here for now. Still pushing down. How long does this 5 close? 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. If it closes bearish, I might just cancel and wait for a second. Maybe look to see if you can get like a retest entry, like somewhere down here maybe. A pretty decent push down on this hourly. So if this can flip, you could be in for a good drive. But if it can't, well then that's fine. You just cancel. Yeah, I'm going to cancel the buy stop for now. We're still looking for buys at that area. But let's just wait to see where this bottom wick's out and see if we can maybe get a better entry into the hourly flip. Let's wait. So no, it's a strong push down. Look at his hourly. Grab the lows, close bullish. This could easily just be a bottom wick in this area for this to find some support and have a nice drive. You're aggressively grabbing previous 15-minute lows as well. $15 starting to reject here on gold. 5 minute doesn't have a bottom wick just yet. You need this 5 to create a bottom wick before you then get back in. Unless this 5 minute just fakes out, you can take it. Where was that? Where was that area here? Let me see the 30. Yeah, 30 still looking good. 15 still looking good. The 5 minute comes down and grabs the lows, then we could actually look to maybe get another break at this high, which would give us a bit of a better entry, because then you at these highs you're managing around like 15, which is much nicer. Let's see. You need to see this. Need to see this 5 minute close. You need to see this 5 minute. Probably grab some lows. Look like we're gonna hold some support, and then we can look for some longs here. Give me 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. All right, what we up to, Goldie? Mm, 15 is about to close in 5 minutes. It's looking pretty bearish for now. Pretty bearish for now. I'm not gonna be buying this. I'm not gonna be buying this just yet. Unless you grab the lows and hold above. Potentially, but this 15 is looking pretty bearish here right now. So I'm not gonna be buying this just yet. You have to see that 15 close. Look at that 15. 15 was looking good. You know, found some resistance, but we hadn't grabbed any highs. Looking like we were grabbing the lows, see if we could hold above, but with the way this 15 is looking, you need to see it get at least now back above this area. And that's going to be a nice fake out area. Look at that nice fake out area. So if we get, you know, back above it, then you can take buys from here and then you can get a much nicer trade. The only way I'll go short on gold is if you get an hourly fake out. The way that hourly grabbed the lows close bullish, I'm not going to be selling this just yet. Not yet, not yet. 13 inverse hand shoulders. Yeah, kind of. It's a bit, it's just more so range. But yeah, I guess you could see if you saw this. Or and like this one as well. Here, big left shoulder, big head, big right shoulder area. I guess you could say probably like all of that is. All of this is one pretty solid area. Pushing down quite a lot here. Yeah, if we want buys, we want to see price get back above here. Big fake out level, broke above, bottom wick, push higher. Held the support, broke below, little fake out, resistance, resistance, broke above, support, broke, resistance, push down. Can you range him sometime? Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, I think it's gonna be ranging him sometime as well. Yeah. I'm not expecting anything too crazy today. Any crazy moves, but you know, I mean, still Asia, you know, had a 5-minute fake out, broke below, broke back above, grabbed 5-minute lows, and had a beautiful run, a lovely run in Asia. But yeah, in terms of overall direction, yeah, very likely. But you can still get your scalps like we did yesterday. Anyone who missed yesterday's stream, we had a ridiculous day yesterday. That was New York. Where's our trades from yesterday? These are our trades from yesterday. Yep. Good to hear, Michael. Caught 40 from that. Asia, yeah, nice. Good man. Good man. It was a nice push up actually. Just kind of seen that now as a very nice push up. It also held 30 support. It was a 30 bottom wick, 5-minute fake out. Even if you just took it after that 30 closed. Grabbed the lows, held the support. It's 90 ticks in 30 minutes. Huge. That was a very nice trade. Grabbed all of the lows, held this support, wicked all the way back up. Could have even just taken it on the flip. The flip of the 30. What was that flip of that 30? 30 ticks. Huge. Got 32 ticks. Yeah, nice. Good man. Good man. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we can still get trade in these ranges. Absolutely. You just need to be patient for it and wait for obvious levels of liquidity. The upside was looking nice. 15 is closing pretty heavily bearish, to be honest. 4 hourly resistance. You got potential hourly fake out. So 15 just closed. Very bearish there on gold. Very bearish. The short to re-grab the lows isn't worth it. What's that? Yeah, 6 ticks now. Not worth it. Not worth it. Got 25 tick sell. The Asia highs using your strat. Nice. Strategy is giving me hopes, man. Yeah, awesome, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. That's what we like to hear. This current 15 flip, it's not really worth it. Because as soon as you start grabbing these lows here, that's where you'd have to be managing your trade. And you're almost going to get very likely taken out pretty quick. And it would have only been, yeah, 6 ticks. Probably gonna have to see this at least probably 30 close now, just like 13 minutes away, unfortunately. 15 minute has no direction for me. Hourly close bullish. 5 minutes pushing down. 30 minutes also coming down, so you can't really do anything until you get that close, unfortunately. Yeah, possibly could target that. Yeah, maybe. Is that a little trend line there as well? Yeah, look at that. Trend line there as well being built up. Could give you some liquidity for later on, maybe with news, possibly. Not a lot we can really do here for now, guys. Have a look at something else because we need to wait for this 30 close. I'm not going to do anything until then, so there's no point sitting here for the next 13 minutes doing nothing. What's copper been up to? What's copper up to? Copper finally starting to find some support. Bit of a range. Let's look at that 15 flip, ended up having a pretty decent drive. Oil, have a nice little bounce. And oil closing the daily. Oh, back down at a big level on oil again. Decent push there on gold. Very decent push. Shame you didn't grab any high, so you can take that 15 flip. You're about 46-ish ticks on this current 5. 40 ticks on this current 5. Huge. So where are you coming into? Now coming into here. So yeah, I mean, if you get like if you close below this on the sell, you close below this on the hourly, then X hourly top wick, and then you can have the sells. Might make more sense. Alright, 9 minutes. Alright, guys, give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait for this 30 close. I'm not gonna watch this. I'm gonna go get some food. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Alright, what are you up to, Gold? What are you up to? Not much, not much. Yeah. 49 ticks, very nice. Good man. Good man. Friday's always low. Yeah, I don't know. Friday's usually pretty good to me. Friday's usually pretty good. I mean, you do have big news later on, but yeah, I mean, Gold's had some incredible runs this week. Some insane runs. You had some amazing trades again this week. Amazing trades on stream this week. $5 minute trying to get back above here. You're almost getting a potential liquidity grab of these previous hourly lows, which is surprising to see it need to come all the way back down below there, but it is still a strong level. It's not really a liquidity grab to me. I mean, it has grabbed some lows, but unless you start closing back above, I wouldn't really consider it liquidity grab. I wouldn't be buying it just yet anyway. Maybe if the 15 closes, you could consider it's a liquidity grab, but I wouldn't be buying against this big push down just yet. Hourly fair value gap, you just deleted. Didn't you say there was a 15-minute one, like all the way back up here, that just got absolutely smashed? Fucking fair value gaps. Is it fair? Is it a fair value, an hourly fair value gap, or just an hourly level of support? To me, it just looks like a pretty simple hourly level of support. Like, why do you need to overcomplicate it? There's no such thing as a fair value gap. It's just a level of support. But yeah, we could hold this up as a nice little left shoulder head, right shoulder area. Oh, it's changed into an hourly supply zone now. It's gone from an hourly fair value gap to now an hourly supply zone. That's crazy. White van driving by the house. Where's he disappeared to these days? Where's he disappeared to? Is he posting on Twitter anymore? I don't think so. No. Nowhere to be seen. Execution in 5 seconds. Hold above. It's a matter of I only trade NQ if I want to join the retreat. Looks like a good opportunity to learn. I mean, it doesn't, but we won't be trading NQ. We'll only be trading gold and teaching the way we trade gold on it, man. It's kind of the purpose of it, to kind of teach our plan whilst on the trading retreat. Come on, Goldie, show me something. Show me something. 15 is going to close in 20 seconds, and it is giving me zero confidence for sells, zero confidence for buys, unfortunately. He's working on winning that. Yeah, the Robbins Cup. Yeah, good luck with that. Not only going to win it, but it's going to make hundreds of %, which I don't think we're doing too well. Five-minute closing back below this little level. 15 just closed bearish, but also with a big rejection. So again, there's honestly not a lot really here, guys. Again, you're gonna have to wait probably for another 15 close, unfortunately. Look, you just closed right at this support. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that trend line. Yeah, that's the safest bet is literally just set the light up here and just wait for it to go off. Like you're not really doing anything right now. Platinum looks weak. Really, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, it also looks very rangy. I mean, it's kind of, yeah, it's kind of already been pretty weak. Some nice liquidity up there on the copper futures. Wait, did it get grabbed? Oh, just about. Just about. Discount fair value gap 5 minute, man. What are you on about? This isn't the channel to try and trade ICT bullshit concepts, man. You're just saying there's a fair value gap on like every single place. You said there was one here. You're saying there's one down here. Well, if you trade the one here, you just got stopped out. But apparently there's another one here. Like I told you, it's just a level of support. Simmin, yeah, it's close. Any more mention of a fucking fair value gap, and it will be. It's hard to undo the ICT program. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It's analysis paralysis. That's what it is. Yeah. I see SMD, yeah, I don't even know what any of that is. Yeah, it's rubbish. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I don't even know what any of that is. Fair value gaps are everywhere. The concept of it is just not how the markets work. Imagine having to listen to 1600 hours of videos of yeah. It's all it is. Yeah, it might work for some people. For me, it's just complete analysis paralysis. It's just a waste of time. If people... Trading's already hard enough. You overcomplicate it more with bullshit terms. And people wonder why they're failing and going round and round in circles and keep watching. 2024 mentorship. Make sure you watch 2023 mentorship on 2022 mentorship. It's fucking crazy. Fair medium, bro. Argue order block 5-minute bar time frame. I mean, it's all about what works for you, but people, ICT traders think that, like, no, that's exactly what it is, and that's what it is. I'm telling you what it is. It's like, man, no one gives a fuck. No one cares. No one cares. Trades into ICT traders, yeah, nice, yeah, nice. I don't know, man. Yeah, get out. Get them all out. We trade pure price action here. Let's get some... No, you gotta pay for them. There you go. Are you guys happy now? Is this what you wanted? ICT unicorn model. Please don't tell me that's a real thing. Alright, there you go, guys. You happy now? This is what you wanted? Alright, now we're talking. Now we're in business. Now we're talking business. So we got an order block down here. We got an NYPML New York PM low. Got my initials there. We got the Asia low. Super useful. I really needed that to be plotted on. We got a fair value gap there that worked as well. You guys can see, look, it worked. Make sure you buy that one because that one worked really well. Yet another one there as well. Make sure you buy that one because that one worked really well. Watch the views. Watch the views start going up on this one. This is just what I was laughing at. Just in case you need an indicator that told you what time it was, you got that there as well. You got the Asia range as well, just in case you couldn't see that yourself. You got it listed on there for you as well. You got a VI, whatever that is. Yeah, my start winning some trades on stream now. That's it, man. Right, get this garbage off my chart. How do I get this crap off? Get off. Get off. Now that's better. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that nicer? Can't we all see straight now? Brother. So yeah, guys, you had a... Where are we? So we had this one here. Look at that fair value gap. Look at that. Look at that beautiful fair value gap. So we bought here. Oh, damn it. Fuck. Oh. You use TradingView? Nah, I don't use TradingView, man. Sorry. No. Nah, Jay. Nah, it's all about what works for you. If you take some concepts from it, you know, and then works for you, that's great. I'm sure it works for some people. For me and for the majority of people, I think it's complete analysis paralysis. Like I said, trading's all about simplicity and execution. Execution is the hardest part. Like I always say, the more you overcomplicate drawing on this, the harder it's going to be. Trading's hard enough. Don't overcomplicate this part, but this part should be the easy part. I know very successful traders who literally can just trade support and resistance and, you know, big trend lines and do very well. People think they need to see some sort of golden strategy, but it's never the case. Never the case. Get back to normal, yeah. But yeah, I'm honestly just waiting, guys. There's nothing on the 15. There's nothing on the 30. The only thing we kind of have set up is maybe this hourly. If we can start to close back above, but you grab the lows, close bullish, close in bearish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Honestly, nothing really. I'm kind of just waiting for this hourly close, to be honest, because there's nothing. There's no volume on gold right now, unfortunately. You kind of just want it to wait. You could literally just set an alert here, or just buy. You could literally just take a buy on the break of this, and make like 80 ticks. Yeah, hopefully the London Open gives us goods. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. Tory trades amazing P&L using base trend. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Yep. Just using trend lines. Exactly. That's it. Simples. Simples. Do you only trade gold? Yeah, pretty much. Predominantly just gold. We just scalp gold here. Any guys who weren't on the stream yesterday, be sure to check out the video I posted yesterday of yesterday's streams. Yesterday's stream trade. We had 4 trades on stream yesterday. It was an absolutely phenomenal day. Phenomenal day. ICT could never. Do I use fibs? No, I used to use fibs. I used to use fibs every single day when I was swing trading more. You know, I still kind of look at it sometimes on a higher time frame perspective, but when I'm intraday trading like this, in and out, 5, 10, 15 minutes, nah, not really, man. Not really. You know, if I'm wanting to swing trade, yeah, I can look at an overall swing fib. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. Like I say, it's good. If it works for you, that's great. I'm only joking. If it works for you, that's awesome. That's what, you know, trading's all about. I could see this is a level of support. You could see it as something completely different, and we could maybe see the same direction in different ways, and that's what makes trading so good. That's what makes trading so unique. You know, it's not about being right or wrong. It's all about reacting to how you see the markets. Yeah, it's funny, yeah. Video was awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you. It was a great day yesterday. I think it's probably one of the biggest, the most winning trades I think we've possibly ever had on stream, actually. And yeah, Anton's a legend. He's allowed to. Yeah, madness. Yeah, it's crazy. Also use ICT and Plot. Oh, good man, good man. What are you up to today, Goldie? Are we just sleeping today? What's going on here? 60% people long, 40% people short. This 15 is about to close in 1 minute. About to close very doji. Very, very doji. Very doji. You watched yesterday's stream multiple times. Yeah, I actually cropped it down into a let me show you guys here. I cropped it down into like a 3-minute video. If you guys want to watch that instead of watching back the whole entire stream, the actual live calls, the live analysis. Where is it? Here. This is like a recap of what we spoke about yesterday. Yeah, you go watch that back. Wrong link. Sorry. You go watch that back. The accuracy and then watching it play out was crazy. Same for you guys on Zoom if you want to go watch it. It's just a private video. Just a recap of the stream calls yesterday as a live version opposed to a trade breakdown. It's an unlisted video, but it should work for you guys as long as you got the link. Some crazy calls. It was just good volume and just playing liquidity to liquidity. Wait, did you just say liquidity? Didn't ICT invent liquidity? He better have not just used an ICT term after what he's just said. Right, two trades good, man. Two trades good. Thanks, Sam. Check it out. Yep, enjoy, man. Join the Zoom. The Zoom is in the community, man. Trade yesterday with the silver bullet strategy. I know, man. I know. That's why I took them. That's secretly why I took it, man. Yeah, that's all I'm really waiting for, guys. That 15's just closed. Doji, I really need to just see this hourly close. My pans always win. Yeah, back in my day, that's what it meant. Back at school, that's what it meant. That's what I thought it was. Yeah, maybe I need to invent the gold bullet strategy. Is that a thing? If not, that's going to be a thing now. Two contracts not too small to make a trade a day? Nah, not at all, man. Two contracts is good. Depends on your account size, but two contracts good. You catch a 20-tick move, it's $400. 20-tick move on gold. Well, this move down here was about 70. So if you just get 20 of that, it's $400. It's good. It's good. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, go on some big rents. Easy blown account on two contracts. Depends what you trade, really. I can't trade. Two contracts on Nasdaq and two contracts on gold are very, very different. On gold, it's not that much. I mean, it depends on your account size, but it's not really that much. If you have like a 10 to 20 tick stop loss, 10 tick stop loss, two contracts, $200. 20-tick contract, obviously 400, and so on. But Nasdaq, two contracts, completely different. Completely different. Let's have a look at Nas. See what Nasdaq's. I know S&P's been having a big sell-off. Big sell-off. Nasdaq, same again. Pretty nice little evening star there. Pretty easy sells also this week. Closed aggressively bearish. You had a top wick. You could literally just short our weekly flip to come back down into this area. Huge push. Now coming into some pretty strong areas though, so most people will be trying to sell it. Well, you've already missed it. As soon as it comes into here, you can start to find some support. Two micros, yeah, two micros, good man, yep. Thank you, that's wild, yeah. Do exercise and trade? Yeah, I do, yep. At least 3 times a week or something, man. It's very important for trading. Very, very important. Yes, analyze on the spot and execute off the futures, yep. $30 flip. You mean like here? Or you mean this one for sells? I wouldn't really be taking the sells. If you're looking at a 30 flip to go short, I wouldn't be looking at that. Just because you're at that strong hourly support. Big hourly support. Oh shit, sorry, wrong screen. Sorry. Major hourly support. Hourly support, hourly resistance. So if anything, you know, you could consider the break of this high on gold to continue pushing up into this liquidity here and here. That's my kind of liquidity levels for the day. Up at these highs before you see the overall sells back down again. That's what I'm kind of looking for. And I'm just being pretty, it wouldn't surprise me if London just kind of chops in between these two areas. You kind of did it, you did it yesterday. Yesterday was nicer because we were actually grabbing liquidity, whereas today we haven't really done that. No, don't do live trading later. I do market calls for the Asian session and pre-New York session, and then we're active in Discord in the market chat for the New York session. Sharing setups pretty much 24/7, 24/5, I should say. Everyone's pretty much active in market chat every single session, which is awesome. Join your group on Monday? Yeah, awesome, man. More than welcome. It'll be a pleasure to have you in. And you guys who are new, just keep tuning into these free YouTube live streams. We take trades in these streams. We haven't taken anything so far today. We still got time though. We still got time. Yeah, let me see if I can show you an example. See if we've had it so far this morning. Have you had it so far? Not really. Posting on search fans, you know, getting some. Listen, try and yeah, good man. Yeah, good to have you tuning in. Jackson, they can usually be 1 to 2 hours. Honestly, depends, man. Depends on how many questions everyone has and what we kind of go over. But yeah, sometimes 1 to 2 hours, man. Maybe about an hour and a half. Tuning from Australia, yeah. It's good, man. It's good. It's good to see it growing over here. Like a training style, simple and clean, respect, bro. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Yeah, the reason I analyze off this spot chart and execute off the futures is because sometimes, I can't really find an example right now. You guys will see it the more you watch, but let's just say, for example, you're watching the futures and you're looking for it to grab this double top before this push down, and it doesn't. Or sometimes the currency can actually grab the highs, but the futures doesn't need to. So the currency chart has more grabs of previous intraday highs and lows. And if you're waiting for them to be grabbed on the futures, it doesn't always have to be grabbed. I can't see an example of where it's happened right now, yet today. You can see here actually. If you look at this, it's very minor, but it's also very important. You look at this on gold. What did this do before this push down? And this is the way we trade. We grab the highs, and then we flip bearish and had the sell-off. Well, if you were just watching the futures, that actually left a perfect double top. So if you're waiting for that to be grabbed, you would miss the short. And sometimes it can happen like at major highs as well. That would be able to be, yeah, yep, sounds good, man. If you can't make it, like I said, just post some questions in the questions channel, and I'll cover them all for you, man. Damn, it's watching BTC. That's funny. What do you look for if you want to take the flip close, the hourly closure? Well, if I want to take the hourly flip, which is all the way up here, I want to see this 5 minute start to create some more bullish structure for me to take it. Yeah, Discord's payment, yeah, it's $100 a month. It's in the link of this video if anyone does want to join it. Like I say, you don't need to. You can just keep tuning into these streams for free as well. It is. You can have a look. How long we got to this hourly close? We've got 5 minutes till this hourly's going to close. It's unfortunately not really showing anything too convincing just yet. There's just there's no real direction just yet, unfortunately. Great return. No, with futures. Wait a minute, I got you, man. I got you. Rather than me explain, let me show you. Let me show you. Give this one a watch, man. Give this one a watch after. Good volatility after news. Yeah, most time. Yeah, I trade news. Yeah, I didn't trade news. When was it Tuesday? No, when was it Wednesday? Yeah, I didn't trade news on Wednesday because I was looking for these sells, and the news kind of pushed gold higher. I traded news yesterday. I was down about like $2,500 or something, and ended the day up break even because it was pretty choppy. Hopefully, news kind of gives a little bit more volume today. We'll see. Yeah, took 2 losses in New York yesterday, and then 1 winner. And that 1 winner obviously outweighed the 2 losses that I took. And they were relatively big as well. But as long as you follow the plan, stick to the rules, keep the emotions right, everything's going to be okay. Yeah, NQ did. I was watching ES yesterday. Yeah, it gave some very nice moves, man. Yeah, nicer than gold actually. So nicer moves than gold yesterday on Nasdaq. 3 o'clock, you had a big reversal. Big reversal. No, I didn't, man. No, I didn't. I traded gold yesterday. I traded gold in New York. I kind of got a little bit chopped up. Painkillers plus trading best strategy. Waiting for the high time frame. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this Audi's close in 1 minute. Trying to get it to show me something. It's just showing me no volume. The 15's not really making much sense. The 30's not really making much sense. The Audi's not really making much sense. The only thing I do like here today is buys on the break of this high to come way up into here. Yeah, it works on yes, thank you. If you go back and watch some of my old live streams, we used to trade Nasdaq on stream. It's more aligned to gold. I prefer gold because to me gold's more consistent. If you trade Nasdaq, you want to be correlating it with the S&P. There's a video on my channel somewhere about that as well, when I used to trade it more. I made a whole strategy on it. Where is it? Yeah, here. This is when I used to day trade it more. Whoa. Yeah, we used to trade it quite a lot on stream actually, but yeah, I don't anymore. Yeah, hopefully it shows something. I think more so just gonna wait and see this London Open. Got big UFC this Sunday as well. Big UFC this weekend. Big UFC card. Trading gold, a safer future trade. Depends what you mean by safer, to be honest, man. Owlie's just closed at this support. Currently top wicking. To be honest, I want to see a bottom wick to create this kind of rejection, liquidity grab, retest to start looking for some longs. So I want to see this hourly give a bottom wick, and we can start looking for some longs around this region now, because you're holding this support very well. Oh, Aspinall, man. I want Aspinall to take it. I like him. So I want to see a bottom wick back down into here and see if we can hold this support and just play this little range. Yeah, Tom for sure, yeah. Tom will take him a Sleepy Joe. Tom's too fast. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, Tom's very fast. Curtis is pretty slow. It's going to be good, though. It's a good card. It's a very good card. Well, we'll create a top wick first on this hourly, so could this be a top wick, grab some highs for it to come back down? Do we have anything to target? Yeah, kind of got some lows here. You got this support again. Would that be worth a little scalp on the flip of this hourly? Not really. Not really. Yeah, Aspinall Jones, yeah, it would be amazing. Yeah, it'd be a huge one. How old is John Jones though? He's getting old. Oh no, 37. I mean, for a UFC fighter, it's pretty old. On the flip just means from when it goes being bullish to bearish. He's a walking fossil. Yeah, John the Goat for sure. Well, I feel like it wouldn't be fair unless they were both like John was in his exact prime. Then that's the only way it would be fair. Yeah, yeah. So he should. So he should protect his legacy for sure. Blaze goes for takedown. Tom destroys him with an uppercut. I like that. I like that. Yeah, price of everything around. Yeah, it is, but it's quite easy to stay patient as well. You know, like you could make your life super simple right now if you really wanted to. You could set an alert here, set an alert above here, and literally just wait for them to go off. I'm only watching because I'm on stream with you guys, but you could, if you really wanted to and you just want to wait for news, you could literally just do that. Yeah, easy. I think Leon will take an easy win there. An easy win. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah, I like that ban. I get squeezed out in there, probably come down, grab some lows. So you got your trend line coming up like this, I believe. Even like here, yeah, definitely. And one coming down here. Yep, definitely. John the Druggy. Trade stocks? Nah, I don't trade stocks, man. No, just gold for me, man. In terms of day trading, anyway. The Bobby Green and Pimlet fight will be good as well. I think it'll be quite a close one. Hey, buddy. Sammy's come to join the party. Anyone trade options before? Found success? Nah, I haven't. I do know good options traders. lot of people think options is a scam. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of scams in it, but yeah, I know people who trade options well. Good luck. Oh yeah, good luck to you too, man. I'll see you next week. I trade options. There they go. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I've never traded options. I first started trading penny stocks. I never went into the option side. I tried trying to trade penny stocks, and then the Forex side, and then here we are to gold futures. But I've actually been trading futures now for like over 2 years, which is crazy. Over 2 years since I started dabbling in the futures side. And it's good, you know. I like people. I think a lot of people come to futures thinking that that's going to solve a lot of their issues, which, don't get me wrong, for scalping it definitely does, but most of the time people are just inconsistent because they don't have a good strategy, or they're always searching for something else. What year during penny stocks? Man, probably like, I can find maybe like 5 or so years ago, probably more. Like 6 years ago maybe, which is crazy. It was towards the end of my uni degree, so it's probably like 5 or 6 years ago, probably like 6 years ago. I'm having a look here at my phone. I used to watch a lot of Stephen Ducks. If anyone doesn't know Stephen Ducks is an incredible penny stock trader. But yeah, I didn't have the funds to trade penny stocks. All the different platforms and fees and PDT rules, and which, I mean, if you don't have the funds, you probably shouldn't be getting involved anyway. But yeah, I didn't. That's the reason I went to FX for the leverage, which is not a good reason, but that's the reason I went to it. Set alerts just here on the plus sign. You just go here, add alert. Yeah, the strategy is to place my trades. Go watch yesterday's video I posted, man. Yeah, PT2 was the absolute worst. Most redundant rule, yeah. It sucks at the time, but it's actually a good thing. It teaches you discipline. Yeah, it's at the time it sucks, but it's also good in a way. What was it, like 3 trade? Is it three a week? You think you can take something like that from what I remember? Discipline is watching this paint dry. yeah. The same, unless you got like 25,000 or something. Yeah, 25,000 or more. Yeah, I think I had like $500 or something. Contact my broker, like, please guys, I promise you I can trade. This is the 5 minute, man. This is the 5 minute. This hourly did create a little bit of a bottom wick. 30's kind of got a lot of equal lows down here now, though. Everyone, including my family, my friends and family, are doubting my trading and saying without professional qualification you can't get rich. What do I say sometimes about everything? Just don't tell anyone, man. Honestly, don't tell anyone. My friends and family all thought the same thing and kind of still do get a bit skeptical of trading. Your best bet is just not telling anyone, man. No one will understand. No one, especially, you know, I used to have it the worst when I was trying to learn to trade and I was living at home. You'd have like family members every single day, like, oh, have you made money today? Then you'd have to tell them no, and they'd be like, you know, well, maybe it's time to, you know, time to move on. Honestly, your best bet is just not, just grinding on your own, man. I mean, have a community like in trading of other traders that you can talk to. But in terms of talking to people who don't know about trading, just don't waste your time. But I mean, you don't need a qualification to get rich. Well, I'm saying trading's necessarily going to make you rich, but there's lots of things that you can do. Lots of people have got rich without qualifications. Unless you want to go be a doctor or a lawyer or something like that, then you should probably go get qualifications. Five minutes kind of grabbing the lows here, trying to push higher. Small gap on the future in the 5. Also got bullied for my trading, but I ignored me. Yeah, good man. Yep. Qualifications be nice, you do. Did you have a good walk on the mines? Nah, I didn't, man. No, I didn't. I didn't. Thinking about, can you make serious money? It's not really the goal. Can you make money trading? Yeah, of course you can. Obviously. Wouldn't be sat here if you couldn't. But just, it's pretty simple. Just look at the charts. If you'd bought here and you'd sold up here, you would have made money. There's your answer. Are you going to make serious, what you say, serious money in the next 1 to 5 years of your trading career? Very unlikely. You can make good money. You're not gonna make, depends what you class as serious money. But you're gonna make serious money in 3 years in trading. Probably not. You can make good money. You can change your life. But I don't know what you class as serious money. You're gonna make millions. Unlikely. Unless you've been trading for like over 10 years or something, then sure, eventually. Yeah, eventually. Happy to make average money if we can do it. Yeah, that's it. That was my goal as well, man. That was my goal. I was happy to even make half of what my 9 to 5 was. I was like, if I can just make half of my 9 to 5, but I can be free and I can have more time to focus on trading, and I know that's a very scalable career, then to me that was way more valuable. I never thought like, you know what, I can't wait to make 10,000 a day. I didn't care about that. I was like, if I can make like $200-300 a day, fuck, I'll be over the moon. And yesterday, you know, I've been trading for like 6 years. Yesterday I lost about 2,500 in like 20 minutes. If I did that 7 years ago, I used to lose £50. I'd be freaking out. Yeah, rent's not cheap these days, exactly. I mean, it's pretty simple. Like, you can just measure how much you could have made. If you bought gold here today and you sold gold up here, you say you just made 100 ticks. 1 contract, 1,000. 10 contracts, 10,000. 100 contracts, 100,000. $20 pips a day keeps 9 to 5 away. Absolutely, it does. Absolutely, it does. Even though, you know, like 100 a month can change your life. You do a YOLO stream? Does that mean full margin of trade to try and move the markets? If so, yes. I thought you would never ask. 15's just kind of chopping here. Got 154 people tuned. You guys should have tuned in yesterday. You guys missed a banger day yesterday. I was not really doing too much today. Yesterday we had a ridiculous day. Ridiculous day. Average wage here in Oz is like 1,000 a week. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let's make 100 ticks for one contract a week. You're making the average salary. Let me show you guys how much I lost yesterday in about 20 minutes. Where is it? There we go. Everyone knows that sound. Yeah, I lost about 3.6 thousand live money yesterday in about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. Do you trade MY? Yeah, I do trade New York as well, yep. Shorts soon. I am looking for shorts as well based on this 13 grams of lows. I just want to see it just close below a layer, close below a level with the volume. We just need volume, that's all. We just need some volume. That sound gives you nightmares. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I took some more trades, man. Yeah, I traded personal after the stream. Let me show you. Trying to get the gold. Trying to get the gold cells. And at one point in New York session, like I say, I was down about 3.6 thousand in 20 minutes on my personal account. It's great stuff. Minus about 3,500 at about midnight, right before bed. What a career! Yeah, there you go. But you know, I still followed the plans till end. Still, I just ended the day break even. But yeah, it's part of trading. My direction was perfect. Just New York Open was, yeah, it was wild. Come on, Goldie. See if we get this breakout. 15 is kind of trying to create an evening star here, which if we can finally get a good bearish close, then we can take some sells. Yeah, being in the exact same place, man. Yeah, literally being in the exact same place. We have not moved. I'm watching the 15 here. I'm watching the 30. I'm watching the 5. You know, if we get like a strong 15 closure and we respect this evening star, you could look for gold sells to regrab these lows. I've basically got gold sells like below here and gold buys above here. My favorite setup is to get the buys when you get back above here to come up into here for like an 80 tick move. That's the kind of my real play today. look at yesterday's. How did we make so much banking yesterday? Yesterday was also disgusting, but we absolutely crushed it yesterday. Because we were grabbing liquidity and having more volume than this. 2 deluxe for that, I say, yep. Yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, I see that trend line, Ben. I like it, man. That's what I'm trying to get, man. I'm trying to get it into here and here. Absolutely. But I might just set some alerts soon. Yeah, don't vote about a milli, yeah, it's insane. It's incredible. Incredible. So as long as you see someone do it, you know it's possible. You just got to believe that you can do it. Now show the trades, man. Show the trade, show the execution. Show all of it, man. I'll show you when I'm entering the positions, stuff like that. If you go back and watch, where's that video I posted before? Is this it? Wait, I shared an unlisted video before of the recap of yesterday's. Where is it? I can't remember where I put it now. I can't find it now. But yeah, now, whenever I'm taking a trade, yeah, I'll always show it here, man. Yep. How long we got? We got 10 minutes, guys. I'm going to wait for this 30 close. If this 30 doesn't close the volume, we'll call it there and we'll just set some alerts. I'm going to have alerts above here, and below here. But mainly above here because I want to see gold. Where are we? Sorry. I want to see gold break this level and push up into this liquidity. I'll have downside on gold to come and grab these lows down here. You know, if you aggressively close and break this low. You break this low on gold, you're going to have a nice, you know, that's the thing. You trade in this range, you get absolutely chopped up. Or you take buys once you break here for 80 ticks. You take sells once you break this for 120. So would you rather get chopped up in here and force a trade or just wait for it to actually break out with volume? Because I know which one I would prefer. But let's wait till this 30 close. I'm going to call it just yet because, you know, one 5-minute candle here can change everything. I'm watching the 5-minute here on the futures. Well, and yeah, you're doing absolutely nothing so far. But we'll watch it for a little bit longer. Watch it for a little bit longer. This guy's going to change. Yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah. Good man. All right. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Just entered a short on a 30-second value gap. Well, let me know how that's going for you, man. Asking ICT what to do. I'm trying to pump the markets. Yeah, it's going to push higher. As soon as we decide to be like, yeah, cool, alright, I'm done, you'll see gold go to the moon. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend. Let's have a look, man. Ooh. Oh. That's what we like to see. Clean. Nice. Very clean car. I like that, man. What time is that? 7 a.m. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, that was so clean again. That was so clean, man. Keep forward testing there, man. It's good to see. Passing funds account. Yeah, there's a few on there. Yep, there's one getting a top step payout as well. Yeah, it's good to see, man. It's good to see. Maybe eventually we get comfortable with it. We can start executing it. Come on, gold. Get moving. On gold, I trade around 2 contracts, 2 minis. I don't trade micros, personally. I trade minis. If we all get off stream for a minute or break out, that's what I tried to do. I tried to do that, look. But it doesn't move. We've got 2 minutes to this 30 is going to close, guys. If it closes like this with very little volume, we may have to leave it there. Wait till closer to New York. And we'll set. I'll show you guys where to set some alerts as well, but yeah. Don't force this range for the sake of it. Yeah, come back up to that trend line again, yeah. That's why I really want the longs. But I really want it just once you break here. I really think once you if you want the longs, which I do as well, I think just once you just break that, you're good for a good drive. No, yeah, that would be beautiful. Yep, Craig, that would be beautiful, man. Nice little inverse as well. That would be beautiful. That would be really nice. Yeah, come back for that trend line. Bro lost every trade he took. I haven't seen that. Is Tom on today? Is Tom on today? No, I don't think so. No. Excuse me. Bless you, thank you. It's like watching paint dry. But yeah, these are the times that that make or break traders, guys. Like I always say, know when to trade and know when not to trade. You could be in a trade, you could be profit, draw down, profit, draw down, profit, draw down. You get mentally burnt out. And by the time the volume comes in later, which it will, you're already mentally burnt out and you can't execute the trade because you're frustrated with this range. Or you could just accept that we're in a bit of a range and we don't have much volume and just come back when there is more volume and be fresh, ready to execute. So that's what we're going to do, I think, here, guys. So let's go on to this 30-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to set my alerts because we're going to leave this now, unfortunately. You kind of see here this 30 has, trying to push up. You've had this big push down. You're trying to push up. But in the past 30 minutes, you've had 14 ticks of volume, which is incredibly low. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to set my alert above here. Because what I want today is I want gold, once you break these highs, to continue pushing up into here and here. But I don't want to watch this go sideways anymore. It's not productive for any of us. I don't want to give you guys bad trading habits. I'm going to set an alert down here as well. And what I'm going to do, and I suggest you guys do the exact same, be disciplined, is set these exact same alerts as me and close the charts and be okay with closing the charts and come back closer to that New York session. Because like I say, you're not going to range all day. At some point, you're going to get a breakout, you're going to get volume, and everything's going to make much more sense. But if it doesn't make sense right now, that's okay. Accept it and come back later on. So, you guys on Zoom, I'll see you guys closer to New York session where we'll jump on our pre-New York market call. Close the charts, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Once our alert goes off as well, we'll jump in trade setups as well. Yeah, nice work. Good job, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, Zoom guys. See you guys. Bye. All right, YouTube guys, we're going to wrap up there. It's unfortunately ranging today. I don't want to advocate trading in sideways price action. So, yeah, I'll let you guys go. You guys have my alerts for the day. No trades today I'm taking, unfortunately. We had 4 yesterday. We had like multiple trades every single day this week. But unfortunately, today there's nothing really shaping up, and I don't want to give back our profits trying to force ranging markets. So, be safe. You guys remember there's news later on as well. Don't force it. Trade safe. Wait for the alerts. Wait for my liquidity levels. And then wait for them to go off and then just fire up the charts. And I'll see you guys same time again next week. Remember, be sure to watch the video I posted yesterday of the trades we took on stream yesterday. Very, very valuable. And I'll see you guys same time again next week, every single day. 7 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.